Why does your scanner show the P0050 engine code? What does it mean? P0050 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2 heater control circuit, bank 2 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this means the ECM has detected a problem with the wiring or component responsible for heating the primary oxygen sensor on the second bank of the engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty heated oxygen sensor, HO2S. Wiring or connector problems. Blown heater circuit fuse. Faulty ECM or ECU. Damaged sensor harness. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Cadillac, Chevy, Nissan, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.